What if I told you that last month I made $982 with just 1,567 clicks? That's 62 cents and 7 hundredths per click. And here's the crazy part. AI is now doing 90% of the heavy lifting. Hey, I'm Josh and welcome to my channel. Today I'm revealing the complete AI-powered affiliate marketing blueprint that absolute beginners can use in 2026 to build real passive income streams. Chapter 1: Understanding AI-powered affiliate marketing in 2026. Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote someone else's product, they make a sale, you earn a commission. But in 2026, something revolutionary has happened. AI technologies are now deeply integrated into every single stage of the affiliate marketing funnel. We're talking about AI selecting products, creating content, tracking performance, and even predicting customer behaviors before they happen. Now, let me show you the 3 methods to make money per click online and why only one actually matters. Method 1 is a complete waste of time. Websites like Neobucks where you click ads for pennies. Someone worked 8 hours on these platforms and made $3 to $4. In 8 hours, you could build an actual business. Method 2 is monetizing websites with ad networks like Google AdSense. You might get 11,000 views, 43 clicks, and earn about $5 total. Many people make good money this way, but it requires massive traffic. Method 3, our focus! Affiliate Marketing 2.0 powered by AI. This is how I made $982 last month, $859 this month, and about $100 yesterday. And what's beautiful is that you can do this just 2 hours a day alongside your main job or studies. Now, here's why AI is the ultimate game changer. First, predictive analytics and multi-touch attribution. Traditional affiliate marketing only credited the last click before someone bought. AI changes everything with multi-touch attribution. It evaluates all interactions across channels like Instagram posts, email clicks, YouTube videos, and blog articles. It tells you exactly which touchpoints drive the most conversions. Over time, AI learns from historical data, refining accuracy and guiding your budget toward the highest impact strategies. Second, hyper-targeted campaigns using geodata. AI empowers you to create hyper-localized campaigns by analyzing geolocation data. Someone in Miami sees different messaging than someone in Seattle because AI understands local preferences and regional trends. This dramatically improves user experience and conversion rates. Third, automation for efficiency and scaling. Campaign monitoring, bid adjustments, creative testing, reporting, all automated. This frees you from manual labor so you focus on strategy and creativity. AI algorithms dynamically optimize campaigns in real time, detecting trends and opportunities faster than any human could. And fourth, conversational AI marketing. Chatbots provide personalized responses and guide customers toward purchases. Email automation powered by AI ensures subscribers receive tailored offers at the optimal time. It's like having a personal sales team working for each visitor simultaneously. Chapter 2: Choosing your niche and setting up trackable links. Begin by selecting a niche you're passionate about with proven affiliate opportunities. Use AI-powered research tools like SEMrush to analyze keyword trends, competition levels, and buyer intent keywords. Focus on niches with high commission potential and genuine audience demand. Once you identify your niche, join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or specialized programs. Prioritize programs offering good commissions and support for affiliates with AI marketing tools. But here's my #1 recommendation: promote products you actually use. For example, I promote Contabo because I've been using their VPS service for years. I genuinely love it. This authenticity makes all the difference. Now, here's the AI hack. Use tools like ChatGPT with web search or Perplexity. Ask, list 10 products in home fitness nutritionists that have affiliate programs with good commissions. AI searches the web and returns the best products like Peloton, Nordic Track, Bowflex, with commission details up to $3,000 per sale. Or try I use this product daily. What similar products have better affiliate commissions? For instance, I use Contabo, and ChatGPT suggests alternatives like Cloudways, Hostinger, WP Engine with full details. This is how you discover hidden programs you didn't know existed. Now, here's where things turn a bit tricky. Pay close attention because this mistake costs beginners real money. You need to generate your own affiliate trackable link. If you just share the company's generic link, you earn nothing because they can't track that you sent them traffic. Each company has an affiliate management system. Some, like Contabo, are managed through networks like CJ. Inside CJ, I find Contabo and click Get Links. You'll see trackable links and banner ads. I grab my unique click URL. This is my private link that tracks my referrals. But here's the critical part. Never use this link directly. Listen very carefully. Imagine you promote this link everywhere. You get clicks, conversions, everything's working great. Then 1 week later, the company decides to disable or change this link. Now what? You lose all your clicks because the link is broken, or you manually update it everywhere, which is nearly impossible. This is why you create your own managed trackable link. If you have WordPress, use the free plugin Pretty Links. Create your branded link like yoursite.com/refer/Contabo that redirects to your affiliate link. If the company changes their link, you update it once and all your shared links keep working. No website? Use short link services like short.io. Free up to 50,000 clicks. Paste your affiliate link, get your short URL, and you have complete control. This step is non-negotiable before promoting online. Chapter 3: The Platforms and Content Strategy. Now let's talk about where to promote and how to create content that actually converts. We're in 2026! We have platforms like Substack, Medium, YouTube, and other platforms where millions of users consume content monthly. This is a golden opportunity to help people on these platforms and promote your products. Don't listen to anyone who says written content is dead. It's the complete opposite. Today, people love connecting with real humans, especially in the AI era. You have Substack, YouTube, Medium, LinkedIn. They're perfect places to share value and promote. You don't need a website. You don't need an audience. These platforms are free. All you need is to invest 2 hours a day. And you don't need an existing audience because when you share value and help people, the algorithms push your content to others. Now, as a beginner, you might struggle with content strategy. What should you publish? How do you find content ideas? Let me help you. Say you're promoting a hosting company. You could create a post, "How to create a website in 30 minutes." Notice I'm not pitching any hosting company directly. I'm sharing a tutorial. Through this tutorial, I naturally mention the hosting company. Anyone following the tutorial joins through my affiliate link. The same thing happened in my video about creating your own hosting server. People following that tutorial joined using my Contabo affiliate link. The idea? Brainstorm helpful guides that don't directly pitch products but naturally mention them as solutions. And here's the best part. We're in the AI era. We can brainstorm these content ideas with AI easily. Here, I'm in ChatGPT. I'll use this prompt. I'm promoting Contabo VPS. Create 10 tutorial ideas where this product is naturally mentioned. 5 problem solution posts, 5 comparison ideas, and suggest the best platforms to promote. Hit enter and ChatGPT gives me a full content strategy. Chapter 4: Creating Authentic AI-Powered Content. Now let's talk about creating AI-optimized content the right way. Content is the absolute backbone of successful affiliate marketing. AI content generation tools allow beginners to create engaging articles, product descriptions, and video scripts quickly. But here's crucial: don't just copy-paste AI output. Use it as your first draft, then inject your personality, experiences, and unique insights. AI optimizes for algorithms. You optimize for humans. The combination is unbeatable. Let AI write your first draft, then rewrite it in your voice. Let AI optimize your campaigns, but you decide the message. Let chatbots handle FAQs, but you show up for real conversations. The most successful affiliates in 2026 aren't the ones ones with the best AI tools. They're the ones using AI to amplify their authentic human value. Chapter 5. Traffic, Tracking, and the Essential AI Tools. Driving traffic with AI-powered strategies and tracking everything properly is also very crucial. Use AI-driven advertising platforms with smart bidding, precise targeting, and automated A/B testing to maximize ad spend efficiency. Integrate social messaging apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger, where AI enables conversational commerce. Engage users directly with personalized offers in real time. Leverage AI chatbots on landing pages or social media to interact with visitors instantly, qualify leads, and encourage click-throughs to affiliate products. The beauty? These chatbots work 24/7, never take breaks, and continuously learn from interactions. Now, tracking is where beginners typically fail because they don't measure properly. You absolutely cannot improve what you don't measure. Use AI-powered analytics dashboards to monitor real-time campaign performance across multiple affiliate networks and channels. Automated attribution models provide detailed insights into which touchpoints convert best, guiding budget reallocation and content focus. Tools like WeCanTrack automate link tracking and reporting, saving massive time while increasing accuracy. AI continuously learns from your campaigns and suggests optimizations to increase your earnings per click and overall ROI. Confused with all the tools and trends I have mentioned? Let me rapid fire the essential ones you need for 2026. SEMrush for keyword and market research with AI-powered competition analysis. ChatGPT for content generation, including blog posts, video scripts, and ad copy. Optmyzr for campaign automation with bid management and real-time alerts. WeCanTrack for comprehensive affiliate tracking across multiple networks. InVideo AI for creating professional video content without technical skills. And AI email automation platforms like MailChimp for lead nurturing and personalized email sequencing. Let me also quickly highlight major AI-powered affiliate marketing trends dominating 2026. First, explosive growth in geo-targeted campaigns using AI-driven localization. Second, increased reliance on conversational commerce through social messaging channels. Third, more accurate multi-touch attribution models replacing outdated last-click biases. Fourth, AI-enhanced influencer marketing for niche audience matching. And fifth, unprecedented automation in content creation and campaign management. Keep your expectations grounded and your focus long-term. Building trust and traction online is a gradual climb, not a viral sprint. Every genuine effort lays the foundation for future growth. And now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge in getting started with AI-powered affiliate marketing? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you learned something valuable today and you're serious about building your affiliate business in 2026, hit subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming videos.